Hello mga ka-forever! I'm Ems, your Miss Bride-to-be. Andito ako ngayon sa Grand Food Tasting Event. Ngayon, iti-check naman natin yung coffee pop-up bar na nakikita ko na first time ko makita sa isang event wedding fair ha. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hello! Sobrang na-curious ako dito kasi first time ko makakita ng pop-up coffee bar, no? Tapos very aesthetic pa and very vintage. So, gusto ko lang makatry if pwede.
Sure, here. Ito yung Fair Lady namin. Yan yung bestseller. Yan yung Spanish latte namin.
Sarap, no? Actually, when I order talaga sa mga coffee shops, ang go-to ko is Spanish latte. Talagang no joke, like ito talaga kasi it's very creamy, tapos it's easy to order. Hindi ako sobrang parang coffee, parang expert pa eh. So, parang nag-explore lang talaga ako sa, yan, sa Sweet Bite. So, saan nakuha yung concept, no? If may I ask, if okay lang.
Kami mga owners, we started nung pandemic, tapos one of the owners mahilig sa kotse. Tapos kami naman nasa coffee side and mahilig din sa car, so naisipan namin, we combine it together, so nagkaroon ng Garahe Grounds, this concept, and then we transition
okay.
to pop-up. So, dito kami ngayon sa isang wedding food
So, if may I ask, magkano ba dapat yung budget dito? Kasi ako, very soon, baka gusto ko din in the future magkaroon ng ganitong pop-up bar sa aking wedding.
It's very affordable. Itong type of setup namin, our basic setup, it starts from 7,000 pesos. So, very affordable. That's good for 50 packs na yun.
So, ayun mga ka-forever, narinig nyo na yung mga rates nila. Kaya, don't forget ha, na meron tayong Garahe Grounds na pop-up bar for all of you coffee lovers out there. You can check them out. So, you may follow all their social media platforms
At Garahe Grounds on Facebook and Instagram to inquire and book for your next event.
So, ayun mga ka-forever. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Thanks!